Hey coders, today we're diving into JavaScript error handling using arrays. We write a function that safely accesses an array and handles out-of-bound errors. By using a try-catch block, we can gracefully deal with invalid indexes. Then let's explore how to throw and catch a range error properly. We often access elements in an array by index, but if the index is outside the array's range, we risk unexpected results. This is where try-catch comes in. We'll use it to throw and handle a range error. That way, the program keeps running even if something goes wrong. This function takes an array and an index as parameters. Inside a try block, we attempt to access the elements at the given index. If the index is invalid, we throw a range error. The catch block then checks the type of error and logs it to the appropriate message. The logic begins by trying to access an array element. If it returns undefined, we assume the index is invalid and throw a range error. We catch that error and check its type to provide a friendly explanation. This keeps our program clean and avoids silent bugs. Let's run two quick examples to see this in action. The first call accesses index 1, which is valid, and returns the element. The second call uses index 5, which does not exist, so it throws a range error. Our error message handles it clearly and gracefully. This validation technique is super useful in real projects. If you're letting users pick from an array or reading API data, index checks are vital. Try-catch with range errors ensures your app does not crash unexpectedly. It is a small step that adds a big layer of safety. To wrap up, we've accessed an array using try-catch block. When an index was out of bounds, we threw a range error to stop bad access. We then handled the error with a helpful message for the user. Thanks for tuning in. Write safer, smarter JavaScript. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.